It's day 31 of the government shutdown, and lawmakers have yet to come to an agreement before open enrollment for Affordable Care Act coverage begins tomorrow.
Our D.C. Bureau reporter Duvasana Basundio has more.
Good morning, Nicolette and Samantha. The Trump administration released available plans sold through Obamacare marketplaces. 4.6 million Floridians who are a part of ACA are now worried as they see the rates skyrocketing.
It's estimated that 2 million Floridians will lose their health insurance.
Democratic Representative Darren Soto represents Eastern Orlando, Kissimmee, and St. Cloud. His district has the second highest number of ACA enrollees in the country, 275,000. Soto says if the Congress does not extend the ACA's tax credits, millions of people could pay higher health care premiums or lose coverage entirely.
The hardest hit are young people who just barely are able to afford it, and then older people who are in that pre-Medicare age, about 55 to 64.
The top 10 districts with the most ACA enrollees are all in Florida, with over 1 million in Miami-Dade County alone. The South Florida districts, represented by Republican Mario Diaz-Balart and Democrat Frederica Wilson, have over 550,000 enrollees combined. I reached out to both Diaz-Balart and Wilson for an interview. In an email, Wilson said, "Since Florida never expanded Medicaid, many Floridians have depended on the ACA as their safety net. If thousands lose their health care, health centers across Miami-Dade will have to cut back services, making it harder for everyone to get care." Diaz-Balart did not comment. Wilson also wrote that Democrats in D.C. have been ready to negotiate to reopen the government and solve the health care crisis, but Speaker Mike Johnson keeps canceling votes. Meanwhile, Republican Senator Rick Scott declined to be interviewed and instead mentioned an op-ed he wrote for the Wall Street Journal, where he, like most Republicans, blames the Democrats for what is happening. On the other hand, Congressman Soto says this shouldn't be a Democrat versus Republican issue, adding that most members of Congress and their staffs get their health care through the ACA, and that each member of Florida has at least 100,000 constituents who would be affected.
Every district in the state, regardless of whether it's a Democrat or Republican, we're all going to get hit hard. We haven't reached any watershed moment yet, but hope springs eternal.
Now, according to several media outlets, the Senate Republicans and the Senate Democrats are trying to hammer out a proposal to end the months-long government shutdown as soon as next week. Reporting live at the Capitol, I'm Duvasana Basundio, Caplin News.